Hi, welcome to HouseFlippingSpreadsheet.com. You're watching a quick video tutorial on how to enable the macros in Microsoft Excel to get started using the House Flipping Spreadsheet. So the question is, what are macros and why do they need to be enabled? Macros are little programs that run within Microsoft Excel that help automate common tasks, navigation, data crunching, and reporting that all operate behind the scenes of the spreadsheet. Macros are used throughout the House Flipping spreadsheet, and in order for them to operate properly, they need to be enabled. So how do you enable the macros in the workbook? There are a couple different options for enabling macros in Microsoft Excel. The first option is to enable the macros when the message bar appears when you first open up the House Flipping spreadsheet for the very first time. Typically, when you open up a macro-enabled workbook, you'll see a yellow message bar appear at the top of the spreadsheet. On the message bar, click Enable Content, which will enable the macros within the House Flipping spreadsheet. Now, if the message bar didn't appear, or maybe you clicked out of the message bar, then you will need to manually change your macro security settings in Microsoft Excel. To do so, navigate up to the File tab in the upper left-hand corner, and then select Options from the File menu. The Excel Options window should appear for you, in which you will select Trust Center located in the bottom left corner, and then click the Trust Center Settings button located on the right-hand side. This will bring up the Trust Center Settings window, where you can then choose your macro settings from the menu on the left-hand side. And finally, to enable macros, select the Enable All Macros option at the bottom and then click OK. If the workbook still doesn't appear to be working, save the file and reopen it, and the macro security settings should activate. And that's it! You have now conquered the dreaded macro security settings, and you are now ready to start analyzing deals and managing your rehab projects.